A cleaning validation protocol is structured around 4 connected elements. Together, these elements ensure that execution is controlled, evidence is meaningful, and outcomes can be confidently defended. Let us now explore the 4 elements of protocol execution. Building the protocol. This establishes what will be validated and how the evaluation will be carried out. Clear scope, defined activities, and practical requirements ensure the protocol can be followed consistently during execution. Justifying protocol decisions. Each requirement in the protocol must be supported by scientific or risk-based reasoning. Clear justification explains why specific products, equipment, parameters, and sampling locations were selected. Defining acceptance criteria and limits. Acceptance criteria translate safety and quality expectations into measurable outcomes. Clearly defined limits allow results to be evaluated objectively and consistently across validation runs. Executing the protocol in a controlled way. Execution brings the protocol into practice. Controlled sequencing, accurate sampling, real-time documentation, and deviation management ensure that results truly reflect the intended validation conditions. Seen together, these 4 elements provide a practical framework for understanding how protocol requirements are carried through during validation activities. They help clarify where key decisions are made and how those decisions shape what happens during the execution phase.